This Coldwell Banker M&D Good Life property video is presented by Deborah Sininski. 1.66 acres, 89 feet long sprawling ranch, lots of privacy, gated/keypad driveway entrance, full finished basement, carpeted, with laundry room, 3 separate rooms for storage. Master bedroom with double doors that open up to the decking with a hot tub. Master bedroom with huge walk-in closet with drawers and shelves, floor to ceiling. The master bath has a jacuzzi tub and bidet and walk-in shower. Semi-above ground pool with decking all around, wood front porch. Asphalt driveway that continues down behind the home for loads of parking. Only bedrooms are carpeted. Modern East floor office. Wood floors throughout the house. Moldings throughout the house. Gas fireplace with mantel that was specially ordered from Monaghan, Ireland, and shipped to America. Library with built-ins and cabinets with glass shelves. Custom kitchen cherry wood cabinets with all pull-out self-closing drawers. Granite countertops, wet bar with bar-size fridge. For more information,